Last trading week was marked with a sharp change in the market sentiment. At the beginning of the week, traders were actively buying the US dollar amid a rise in the US Treasury yields. However, on Thursday, the dollar slipped to the previous levels after the disappointing data on the US labor market was published. The US dollar index, that measures its value against a basket of 6 major currencies, closed the week just below the key level of 90.40. This was the lowest level in 4 weeks. The quote of the euro-dollar pair, the most popular currency pair on forex, also returned to opening levels. The European currency managed to win back some losses, even though the ECB stated that the general inflation is very low and remains below the key inflation target of the regulator, while the further strengthening of the euro poses a risk to the inflation prospects. Besides, in many countries of the Eurozone, the slowdown of the vaccination process raised worries about the economic recovery of the region. Meanwhile, the British pound stood out among all other currencies. The pound sterling is actively gaining ground. Last week, the pound-dollar pair reached its high since April 2018 in an attempt to settle above the psychologically important level of 1.40. Therefore, the British currency gained more than 1% in a week on hopes that the UK will lift coronavirus restrictions earlier than expected. Investors were also encouraged by the signs of economic improvement. The data on PMI showed that the production volumes steadied in February, while in January the inflation rate was slightly higher than forecasted. At the same time, retail sales dropped by 8.2% in January 2021, posting the biggest decline since April, when sales collapsed by 18% and government borrowing was the highest in January since 1993. This year, however, the pound has gained support from expectations that the interest rates won't turn negative. In addition, the trading agreement with the EU after Brexit also supported the pound. Among all other trading instruments, Bitcoin deserves special attention. The price of the number one cryptocurrency surged by 18% last week, testing another record high. It was the first time that Bitcoin passed the level of $58,000. Oil also managed to reach higher levels. Brent was last seen trading at $65.52 a barrel, hitting a new high in 13 months. The rally in the oil market happened amid the output cuts introduced by the OPEC Plus and signs of global economic recovery, fueled by massive stimulus packages worldwide and the rollout of COVID-19 vaccination programs. In the meantime, gold plunged to its lowest level in 7 months, losing 2.25% at the end of the week. The increase in the US Treasury yields put pressure on oil quotes. You've watched the combined financial review of currency and commodity markets on InstaTV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep track of all the latest financial events. And see you back soon.